Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my easy and delicious sub sandwich. And if you haven't had my sub sandwich, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need French bread. You will need garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You will need Kraft Singles cheese. You will need turkey slices. You will need sliced onions. You will need sliced tomatoes. You will need your pickles. You will need red crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon. You will need some mayo, and you will need some turkey pepperoni. And when I get all this together, I'm going to show you how to put this big giant sub sandwich together. And now I'm about to show you how to put this amazing sub sandwich together. I already put my mayo on there, and I already put a little seasoning on there. Now I'm going to put my crushed red pepper flakes. Just put it on there just like that. Just like so. Give it a tiny bit of kick. Tiny bit of color. Now put your garlic powder on here. Just like so. See that? Put your pepper on here. Just like that. Sprinkle it, make it look nice and pretty. You know how to do it. Now with your turkey meat, you put your turkey meat on here. Nice and pretty. Yes. Just put your turkey meat on there. It's going to be better than Subway and cheaper than Subway because this French bread was just $1 at Walmart.
No cap.
And Subway love to charge a lot of money for the little bitty sub, and it don't even be this big.
Facts.
So make your own sub sandwich at home. It's well worth it. It is well worth it. Yes, it is. Now, do my Kraft single cheese. Put it on just like that. Oh, it's going to be so good, y'all. It's going to be so good. Just like that. So good and flavorful. Yes, it is. Just like that, y'all. Oh, yes. It's going to be better than Subway, better than any place that sells subs. And they won't be this big at those places either. So, make your own sub sandwich. You'll be satisfied. Guaranteed. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it, y'all. Look at that. Now, you want to put your onions on here. You put your chopped onions on here. Oh, yes. Put your chopped onions on here. Oh, it's going to be so good, y'all. It's going to be so good, good, good. Look at that. Chop onions on there, just like that. Nice and pretty, y'all. Put it on there nice and pretty, y'all. Nice and pretty. Yes. Then you're going to put your tomatoes on here. Look at that. Look at that. Look how good that look. Look how good that look, y'all. Oh, wow. Look at that. Woo. Looks so good. Yes. Then put your pickles on there. Look at that. Look at that. Better than Subway.
No cap.
Make your own sub sandwich at home. You'll be so satisfied. Look at that. Look at that. Woo. Get your turkey pepperoni. Put it on there. Oh, yes. Put it right on there. Put it right on there. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Just put it on there. Treat yourself. Treat yourself to the best.
For real.
Look at that. Just put it all on there, y'all. Put your turkey pepperoni all on there. Look at that. Look at that. And when I'm done with this amazing sub, I'll be right back to show you the finished product. And now I'm about to show you the finished product of my easy and delicious sub sandwich. Look at it, y'all. Look at it.
Delicious.
It looks good. It smells good. And I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with Don Juan, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day. And make sure you watch all of my videos.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call